You want to drive?
You wanna drive?
About here back.
Do you wanna drive? But you don't have a license yet.
Where
Where are you going?
Here. I mean black. Black.
Yeah, Mommy's black jacket. Don't. Be careful, please.
Let me help.
Help? Okay. Where are you going?
Help.
Okay. I'll take it out. Hold on. Okay. Okay, you can sit now. What's in there? Mommy's keys and water. Well, are you gonna sit there? But your car seat is at the back. Uh-oh. What did you push? You pushed something. Oh, you locked it. Uh-oh.
What's that noise?
What's that noise?
Making noise.
Don't touch it, Daniel. Don't touch it. You're making noise. No, please.
It's starting now.